Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, July 19th, 2016. My name is Cliff Backus, and this is your pushbuttonstocktrading.com daily video market review. Let's get started this morning as we usually do with our spectrum analyzer. It's important that we identify where the leadership in the market is. To that end, we use HGSI, High Growth Stock Investors Spectrum Analyzer, to identify market leadership on a daily basis. So let's get started by looking at which industry groups are showing the most strength as measured by the 100 most powerful stocks in the most powerful industry groups. Yesterday, of the 100 most powerful stocks in the most powerful industry groups, 17 came from semiconductor devices, 6 from internet media, 5 from mass merchants, and rounding out the top 5, specialty apparel stores, cement and aggregates, semiconductor manufacturing, communications equipment, and airlines, with 4 stocks each in the top 100 most powerful stocks in the most powerful industry groups. These may be good places to look for leadership in this market. Let's take a look at what the Nasdaq Composite's up to. Yesterday, the Nasdaq was up 26.19 points, or just over 0.5%. We closed at 50.55. Closed near the top of our daily trading range, which is encouraging to the bulls. More importantly, we continue to hold support down here in the 49.69 area. Trading volume yesterday was weak. Bulls would prefer to see heavier trading volume on up days. For you followers of William O'Neill, we are in a confirmed uptrend on the Nasdaq. We have been since June 30th, and we have no distribution. Right now, our market timing model is on a buy signal. A buy signal indicates that both aggressive and conservative traders can buy, but we shouldn't be increasing margin at this point. The Nasdaq right now appears to be bracketed by support down here in the 49.69 area and resistance right here at this trend line. This trend line goes all the way back to the beginning of the bull market back in 2009 and has provided significant resistance to the Nasdaq over the past year or so. We'll see if we can break above the trend line. And if we can, the next significant area of resistance is all the way up here at the 51.64 level. Let's see what the S&P 500 is up to. But before we do that, stocks finished largely higher on unimpressive volume yesterday as the current market rally appears to be losing steam. Volume's been falling and has remained below average as the market's generally advanced over the past week. That noted, both the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 are trading above recent significant resistance. It would be constructive to see any market consolidation hold above those levels. Our market timing model on both the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 has fallen from our most aggressively bullish margin signal to a slightly less aggressive buy signal. A buy signal indicates that both aggressive and conservative traders can buy, but we shouldn't be increasing margin at this point. Investors.com is indicating a confirmed uptrend in the market. Yesterday, advancing issues topped decliners by about a 7-4 margin. New highs continued to handily better new lows. That noted, our new high, new low indicator has flashed a sell signal here. New high, new low is frequently the first indicator to note a change in the market direction and is often premature. According to our Ramosi ratio, large capitalization stocks bettered small and are outperforming on a 10-day moving average basis. The bulls would prefer to see small caps outperform. We're now on a buy signal on both the S&P and the Nasdaq, but the current advance appears to be losing steam. While bulls should be fully invested, or at least approaching fully invested, they should also be keeping their stops in place and current. Okay, yesterday the S&P closed up 5.15 points, or about 0.25%. We closed at 21.66, closed right at the top of the daily trading range, but note that we closed below the high of Thursday last week. Trading volume was fairly weak, certainly below average. The S&P 500 is currently in an uptrend under pressure and is currently in a confirmed uptrend and has been since June 30th. We have one distribution day since confirmation of the uptrend. That's not very much distribution and is hardly a cause for concern. Our market timing model on the S&P is on a buy signal, and the S&P appears to be bracketed by support in the 31-34 area, and we really have no resistance. I suppose we could call this high very minor resistance, but other than that we really don't seem to have much resistance. Okay, let's talk about swing trading. Swing trading is a faster and shorter term form of trading than the can-slim trading that we normally do. In swing trading, we'll attempt to always trade in the direction of the short-term market as defined by the relationship between the Nasdaq composite and its 5 and 10-day simple moving averages. Our swing timing model has 4 signals based on those relationships: buy long, trending positive, trending negative, and sell short. Currently, our swing timing model is on a buy long signal. Swing trading utilizes a much shorter term setup than can-slim. Those setups, both long and short, are short-term consolidations, flags, and bounces from significant moving averages. These setups can be as short as 5 days. Our swing trading targets are typically going to be a 10% profit with a 3% initial stop loss. Swing trades typically last up to 10 days and require strict adherence to our rule sets. Okay, currently our swing timing model is on a buy long signal. A buy long signal is generated when the Nasdaq composite is trading above its 5-day simple moving average, which we show in pink, its 10-day simple moving average, which we show in green, and the 5-day simple moving average is trading above the 10-day simple moving average. So we're currently on a buy long signal, and we currently hold one swing trade position after being stopped out of FN when it closed below its 5-day moving average. We held FN for 10 days and took a 5.18% profit after all fees and commissions. We're currently holding GIMO, which we bought yesterday on a break above a flag formation with a stop limit buy at 41.54. For more information on swing trading, please contact me. My contact information's on the homepage. That's about all I have for today. If you want to talk about any of the stocks mentioned today or any of our market strategies, please feel free to give me a call, drop me an email, or make an appointment. Come by the office, see what we're up to. Contact information is on the homepage. Please take a minute to go to our subscription page and subscribe to Push Button Stock Trading. You can also follow us on Twitter at PushButtonStock. Again, my name is Cliff Backus. That's your daily video market review. Have a safe and profitable day. Keep your stops in place, and I will see you again tomorrow. Please stay tuned for our important disclaimers. All the best. Disclaimers. Push Button Stock Trading Video Market Review is produced and edited by Clifford B. Backus. Mr. Backus is a Senior Vice President of Investments, Technical Analyst, Portfolio Manager, and Partner with the investment firm of Ohannes & LaCours Incorporated. Video Market Review is produced solely for the benefit of our clients, friends, and colleagues. Anything written, stolen, and/or plagiarized in this publication is done without malice. Further, the analysis and opinions expressed in this publication are strictly those of the editor and not of Ohannes & LaCours Incorporated, its affiliates, subsidiaries, or any of the officers or employees of Ohannes & LaCours, Inc. On that note, we submit the following. The analysis, calculations, and evaluations presented herein are based on data and assumptions Ohannes & LaCours Incorporated believes to be accurate. Ohannes & LaCours Incorporated makes no representation that such analysis or calculations are accurate or that such valuations represent levels at which actual trades may occur. This report has been prepared from original sources except where otherwise noted, and data we believe to be reliable. Ohannes & Liqueurs, Inc., its affiliates and subsidiaries, and/or their officers and employees or their families may from time to time acquire, hold, or sell a position in the securities mentioned herein. Moreover, opinions may differ from one entity to the next. If we are used in connection with the purchase or sale of any security discussed in this report, we may act as principal for our own account or as agent for both the buyer and the seller. Push-button stock trading is dedicated to the education of friends, clients, and paid subscribers. Push-button stock trading is an information service only. The information provided herein is not to be construed as an offer to buy or sell stocks of any kind. Push-button stock trading is created to aid subscribers in making informed investment decisions based wholly or in part on technical analysis. It's possible that at this time or some subsequent date, the editors of push-button stock trading may own, buy, or sell the investments presented. All investors should consult a qualified professional before making any investment. The information provided has been obtained from sources deemed to be reliable, but it is not guaranteed as to the accuracy or completeness. The editors of push-button stock trading make every effort to provide timely information to subscribers, but cannot guarantee specific delivery times due to factors beyond our control.